Good morning friends. Today topics indexing. Next one. We have three main techniques. One is conventional index, B and B plus tree, and third one is hashing. First one, conventional index based on page table. Second one is performance better when a record are constantly added or deleted data in the table. Hashing, store the hashed data are stored in the hash table. Next, conventional indexing. Going to talk about conventional indexing. Before, what is index? What is indexing? The index, the database index is a data structure that improve the speed of data retrieval operation on a database table at the cost of additional writes and storage space to maintain the index data structure. This is the indexing. Next one. The conventional indexing, there are two type of conventional indexing. One is sparse and one is dense. One is one entry per data block and identify first record of the block record data to be stored. Here only one entry per data block. Here one entry per second, and data do not have to be stored. Here to be stored, you do not have to be stored in Indices. Next one. So the respective advantage of sparse and dense. The first one is occupy much less space and can keep more often it is main memory and faster access. But here can tell if a given record exists without accessing file and do not require data to be stored. Next one. Index based primary key. For example, each key value is corresponding to a specific record. Two cases to consider. One is table is sorted on primary key. One is table is either on non-sorted or sorted on that field. Based on first one is sparse index. Second one is tenses index. For example, here sparse index, only one record can enter into the block in the table. This is a first Alan can enter one entry can enter the block. Dana can enter the next block and Gaina enter into next block. Next, tenses, one entry per block. One entry per record. One entry per record. One entry per record. Okay, this is a tenses set. For example, Agamadu can entry one record per second. Okay, per record. Okay, adhe mari Amita, Brinda, Carlos, Dana, Dinah, Emily, Frank. Next, index based another field is based on each key value may correspond to more than one record based on clustering index. First, ordinary is available. Next, I would say clustering index. The two cases are available. One is sorted on the field, another one non-sorted or sorted on another field. The based on sparse index, based on tenses index. For sparse index, only one record enter into the per block. So here tell us entry one based on clustering method, you can entry one record. Say then Lardo is an entry in one record. Next one. Tenses per one entry per block. One entry per block. So this is a tenses clustering index value. Okay, next one. Another realization of process hashing is we save space and add one extra level of indirection. So based on indirection value is available, so you can record to minimize space level, so that here indirect values are available. So hashing access here and access Agamadu is Agamadu and Brinda and both, and tell us access here indirect one Dana, Dino and Emily, Frank. Same Lardo is access Amida and Carlos. This is another realization for indexing files. Next, activity. Next, type of index, there are two types. One is sparse, another one tensors. Next,